So now we are converting our PowerPoint that was originally our notebook. So notice I titled it Converting Notebook to PowerPoint. So now it's in PowerPoint form. Now I want to put it in my Google Drive so it becomes a Google slide. Now notice when I converted my Smart Notebook, it pretty much stayed the same when it became a PowerPoint. It does not always do that. Sometimes the font is really, really tiny, so you have to edit the text boxes. So just keep that aware that you're going to have the important stuff, but you're going to have a lot of formatting to deal with when you convert Notebook to PowerPoint. So I want to convert my PowerPoint to slides. So I need to save it where I know I saved it. So I'm going to go to File, Save As, and I'm going to go to Desktop. Yeah, I hear you. Alright, hit Save. Okay, I'm not worried about that. Okay, so I'm going to close this because I just wanted to show what we're working with. So my file is right here, converting notebook to PowerPoint. So what I need to do is in my Chrome browser, I need to open up my Google Drive, and I'm going to create a folder, or I'm going to open a folder that is going to be all of my Smartboard converted presentations or something, you know, whatever you want to call. So Smartboard converted presentations to Google Slides. So create. So it's way down here. But before I actually convert, I need to go into my settings. And I need to make sure that all of these boxes are blue. Check them, please. So what pretty much means is that when I slide in a PowerPoint, it's going to convert it without me having to do anything to Google Slides. So I can do this two different ways, so I'm going to show you both. The first way is I can open the folder. So it says see drop files here. So I'm going to minimize this. Just going to put it over to the side. And see, I can see my PowerPoint right here. I'm going to drag it in. Oops. There we go. I'm going to drag it in. See how it got that blue box on the outside? And I let go. And if I make this large, it's uploading. So Smart Notebook or PowerPoint files may take a while. So notice it's now a Google slide because that yellow box, if I go to View Details, it's blocked, sorry. And go to Details. It says it's a Google slide, which is exactly what I wanted. It's not a PowerPoint anymore, it's a Google slide. So there is another way to upload. And so I'm just going back to my drive by clicking the symbol. I'm going through all these steps just for those that don't know how to use Google Drive as well, which is perfectly fine. I'm going to find my folder again. Oop, too far. Got a little happy there. I'm getting close. There we go. So I can open the folder again. I can go to New, and I can go to File Upload, meaning I'm uploading a file from my desktop. So it's going to show me the files on my desktop. I want my PowerPoint. And so it again converted that PowerPoint, that P for PowerPoint, to a Google slide. So I can delete. I don't need both of them. So I can right click and hit remove, or I can literally highlight and slide it into the garbage because I only need one. But that is how you convert your PowerPoints into Google Slides.